Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Thursday, June 17, and the time is around 2:30 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of oil. This is the front end contract right here. We can see we ended with 3 in oil. It's been rallying quite strongly in the past few days, few weeks. And we are calling this peak here at $73 as wave 3, and now doing a pullback within the wave 4. Now of course the structure of the pullback can be in either WXY, or it can be in a bigger 1 2 3 4 5 ending A. It could be a 5 3 5 6 sec as well. But bottom line is we are calling for a correction already in progress right now within the wave 4 before it rallies again one more time within the wave 5. Now let's take a look at zooming out a little bit. Also, you notice we have a bullish sequence, which means the right side is on the upside, right? If we zoom out here on the daily, right, I'm putting here wave 3 right here. This wave 3 here is right here. Now we're talking about the cycle that started from March 24, so that means this is your 1 and 2, and then now wave 3. If you measure the extension here, we reached slightly above the 100% extension, right? And now starting the wave 4. Now typically wave 4 could be somewhere around 23.6, 38.2% retracement, right? Typically. So this is a potential area where the pullback can finish, and then oil can go up again one more time, to finish the wave 4. Now the other scenario is that we are not yet ending 3. We continue to go up. If we don't pull back reasonably big enough and continues to rally again, then that means we are still within the wave 3, because the right side is bullish, so it can continue to extend as much as it wants. All right. Now we are calling this wave 3 because we see in the other markets starting to pull back, commodities starting to pull back, and also we see US dollar starting to rally and so on. So it is possible we already start the wave 4 here. Now zooming out even larger degree, if we look at it from this April 2020, this is the same low all across the board in the indices and everywhere else. Now you notice here we have what looks to be like a 1 2 3 4, and now this is supposedly a wave 5, and within the wave 5 you can see we only have 3 waves so far, right? We so far only have 3 waves, suggesting that I think most likely we should still see another leg higher to finish a complete 5 waves up from April 2020 low, right? So oil here is giving us sort of the path for many different instruments as well. You can see based on this count here, based on this structure, you can conclude the cycle from April 2020 low is not yet over. We should be looking for at least one more push up, and that applies to every single instrument as well, because like for example indices also bottom in the same dates, the same time, right around March 2020. You see everywhere everyone else also bottom somewhere around March 2020. Okay, so again looking for possibly one more push low and one more push higher eventually, but now doing this pullback in the wave 4, and again the estimated area is 23.6, 38.2% retracement, where we might potentially see support for another leg higher. Okay, so that's the update for today, and as always, if you do want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. And I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day everyone.